Alright guys, y'all are doing great. Let's keep the ball rolling, alright? In this video, we're going to check out the modules and how to add things to the module. So we're going to create a module and we're going to add some placeholders for an assignment, for a page, and for a discussion. Okay? So let's go ahead and talk about what modules are. So earlier, like I said, whenever we open up our new course, by default, it opens up into module view. And there's a reason for that, because Canvas wants you to have an organization to your course. And modules do exactly that. They organize, or they give your course an organizational flow. So, meaning that you don't want to just have random pages and random assignments just listed over here on the assignments tab and the student has to go searching for it, okay? You want your course to have an organization to it. And you can do that based on maybe like a time period, like maybe have modules based on 9 weeks, maybe modules based on units. But whatever you choose, you want to organize it in some form or fashion, okay? So let's go ahead and create a module. So right over here, and you're going to notice a plus module purple button. So we're going to click on there. And we're going to create our first module. And let's call this one Introduction. And like you can see, I've done it so many times, I already have it populated. And I'll click on Add Module. So there we go. So my first module is going to be an Introduction module. So I have the name of it right here. Over here, just like before where I said you have to publish your course. Well, anytime you put content into your course, you also have to publish the content. So whenever I have this all built out and I'm ready for it to go, I'll go ahead and change this from a no to a green check, and then I'll know that it's published. Okay, but I'm going to keep it unpublished for right now. Right here, I have a plus to add content into my module, which we're going to do here in a second. And then I have the little skinny snowman for more options right here. And then, so if I wanted to edit this and like change the name of it, if I wanted to move some of the contents around in it, if I have multiple modules, I could move the modules, the order that they're in. I can delete the module, duplicate it, send it to another person, or maybe copy it to another class. And then I can also upload it and share it to Commons or share it to Commons favorites. Okay? So now I have my introduction module. I'm ready to put content into this module now. So right here within the introduction bar, I'm going to click on that plus. And it's going to ask me, okay, what do I want to add to this introduction module? And for right now, let's go ahead and add a page. Okay? So my options are an assignment, a quiz, a file, a page, a discussion, a text header, and the text header is just for your organizational flow. So maybe your text header could be Unit 1, and then maybe all the pages in the assignments will be just labeled as Unit 1 assignments. And then you can put like an external URL or a link for them to use. Okay, so I'm going to click on, for right now, a page. So then from right there, I need to go ahead and create a name for the page. And I'm going to create the name homepage, because I'm going to create a homepage. Okay, so for right now, I have an introduction module, and within that introduction module, I have a home page, and it is a page. Okay, so the second item that we want to add to our module is an assignment. So let's talk about the difference between a page and an assignment. A page is used whenever you just want to give information out. You don't want anything turned back in. Okay, so if you just want to give a page with maybe a text that you want the students to read, maybe you have a video on it that you want them to watch. For that kind of stuff, you would just put it on a page. But if you have maybe a text entry or a video that you wanted them to watch, and then you wanted them to turn something in after that, then those items would be created on an assignment. Okay, so a page, you're just giving out information. An assignment, you want something turned into you. And the reason that we want to make that distinction is because an assignment will create a place in the grade book for you, and a page won't. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and add an assignment. So again, within the introduction bar right here, I'm going to click on the gray plus, and I'm going to choose an assignment. And I'm going to call this one first assignment. So we'll click right here, give it an assignment name, add item, and there we go. Okay, so now notice that we have the page icon, and then the assignment icon is a little bit different. It has a little pencil attached to it, just to denote that these two are different items. All right. Again, and remember, these are just placeholders. There's no information in here yet. We're just adding placeholders for these items within the module. We're going to add the content here in a second. Okay. And the third item that we're going to add is a discussion. So again, I'm going to click on the plus. This time I'm going to hit the drop down arrow and choose discussion. I'll call it first discussion, add item, and there we go. Okay, so I'm going to leave you right now, and I want you to do the same thing on your sandbox. Okay, I want you to add your first module, and then add placeholders for a page, an assignment, and a discussion. All right, I'll see y'all here in a second.